I'm at the Festool Recharge 2023 show, really excited to be here. There are so many tools I'm excited about today, it's hard to really pick one. The fact that we're going cordless, it's just getting more and more exciting.
The one that I'm most excited about is the new table saw. I think that's going to be perfect for my team, especially on install days. So excited to be here.
Then I'd say it's a tie with the cordless Capex and the reciprocating saw. All things that I can use on site and in my wood shop. Festool's doing it all.